Hi Sagittarians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and we are meeting here for the reading of the month of December. So Tarot, tell me, how will the Sagittarians feel, experience for the month of December 2022? Next year we'll be doing a reading for the whole year. This time I am guided to pick 7 cards. So I will be picking 7 cards. Nice. Do let me know about how you like my readings and what all happened in your life in the comment section. And share these videos with people. It really wants them, sometimes motivates them, sometimes gives them insights. Alright, okay, lovely. Uh, there's a there's a very contradictory thing about money in December. So money will go as well, money will come as well. So yeah, there are two contradictory cards. So you will get a new stream of money also, and you will spend a lot also. It's fine. It's December. It's New Year. Come on, fair enough. No worries. Uh, you will benefit from a person who is older in age, especially masculine energy. You will benefit from a person who's older in age, and especially masculine energy, buzurg जिसे कहते हैं. So that's something very good. He'll be a very logical person and some research guy or some advisory person who will be highly educationally qualified. So it's how many clues I gave you. So you'll be benefiting. Uh, Judgment. I think your life is gonna change in a better way this time. Uh, what insights I'm getting or what downloads I'm getting for you all is uh, the judgment that you will be getting. You will find a new you will find a new personality, you will find a new tag for yourself, a new judgment about yourself that you'll be portraying in people. So, and it's a time of celebration, okay? The judgment is a time of celebration. Again, don't feel insecure in any way. Everything is just fine. Especially people who are not of your caliber. So sometimes in this month, and the reading is only for this month, in this month you might feel that some people who are not even uh, of your caliber, nowhere near you, nowhere, they don't even have the knowledge that you have. You might feel a little insecure or irritated by them. It's okay. Sometimes I feel you can have this human experience. You can take these feelings, but don't feel insecure. That's all I wanted to tell you. And yeah, some feminine energy might bother you. So you will benefit from a masculine energy, Buzurg, and some feminine energy might bother you. But overall, I feel this judgment card is very important. You will find a new you now, a new personality to yourself. And I don't think so anything else matters here. And even a new money stream is starting. If you're spending also fine, but a new money stream is also starting. So I'm really, really happy for you. And yeah, I would tell you to keep a selenite with you to remove away any negativity that comes with you, and you could burn a black candle with a green candle to remove the negativity relating to money, if at all. Yeah, baki else everything is pretty sorted. So I think I'll see you next year uh, with videos for the whole next year as well. So I think it really helped you. Please share this video, comment how did you find this, and how did you find my earlier videos also. So see you all. Happy New Year. Bye bye.